In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Proton VPN Undetected. Before we begin, it's important to keep expectations realistic. No VPN can ever be completely undetectable. Some websites, streaming platforms, and networks are able to recognize VPN traffic or block IP addresses associated with VPN services. The goal here is not to guarantee invisibility, but to reduce the chances of detection and improve your connection reliability. The first thing to do is connect to a different server. Open Proton VPN, disconnect from the server you're currently using, and then choose another server in the same country before clicking connect again. This is one of the simplest and most effective fixes because many detection issues are tied to specific server IP addresses. If one server has already been flagged by a website, switching to another can often solve the problem right away without changing your overall region. Next, try using a less crowded server. In Proton VPN, open the server list and look for servers showing lower load percentages. Then connect to one of those lower load options. This can help with more than just detection. A less crowded server may also give you better speed, a more stable connection, and fewer issues caused by heavy usage from other users sharing the same server. Another useful step is clearing your browser data. Open your browser settings and clear cookies along with cached images and files, then restart the browser. This matters because some websites store information from previous visits. Even if you change servers, old cookies may still reveal past sessions or trigger security checks. Starting with a clean browser session often helps websites treat the connection as new. You should also enable Proton VPN's built-in security features. Open the settings menu in Proton VPN and turn on features like Net Shield if they're available with your plan. It's also a good idea to keep Proton VPN updated to the latest version. Updates can improve compatibility, stability, and security, which may help reduce connection issues over time. After that, check for IP leaks. Connect to Proton VPN, visit a DNS leak testing website, and run a test to confirm that your traffic is actually being routed through the VPN. If your real DNS information is exposed, websites may still detect your actual network activity even though the VPN is on. If a website says VPN detected, switch to a different server, clear browser cookies, and try a different browser if needed. If CAPTCHAs appear frequently, that's common with VPNs because many users share the same IP address, so you may need to complete the CAPTCHA or move to another server. And if a streaming service blocks the VPN, try another server since some platforms actively block known VPN IP addresses.